we'll guide you through how to make YouTube Music playlist public. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the YouTube Music application on your device and wait for it to finish loading. After the application opens, look at the navigation menu at the bottom of the screen and find the library button. Tap the library button to open your music library. Inside the library page, you will see all of the playlists that are available in your account. For this tutorial, create a new playlist instead of editing an existing one. Tap the New button on the right side of the screen to begin creating a playlist. Enter the playlist information and set up the playlist according to your preference. After you finish entering the required details, tap the Create button to create the new playlist. Wait a few moments while YouTube Music creates the playlist. Once the playlist is ready, open the new playlist that you just created. On the playlist page, look for the Edit button located beside the Share button on the left side. Tap the Edit button to open the playlist settings menu. Inside the settings page, you will see several options that you can change. For this tutorial, tap the Visibility option to manage who can view the playlist. The Visibility page will display 3 different options. Review the available choices and tap Public to make your playlist visible to everyone. Wait a few moments while YouTube Music saves the new visibility setting. After the change has been applied, return to the playlist page to confirm that the playlist has been updated successfully. You can review the playlist information to make sure the visibility is now set to public. If you want to change the visibility later, simply return to the same Edit menu and choose a different visibility option. You have successfully made your YouTube Music playlist public.